Hi, I'm Nilesh Degaonkar. I work as a finance functional consultant at Zerone HiTech. Jewelry manufacturing, as we know, is characterized by the complexity of operations inherent in the industry. Zerone JEM addresses these challenges by providing solutions tailor-made to the unique demands of jewelry manufacturing, which involves intricate processes such as casting, setting, polishing, quality control, and inventory management. Adopting GEM ERP system to accommodate these diverse and complex operations is crucial. This includes ensuring coverage of inventory lifetime cycles from issuance to potential loss or waste. This meticulous processes is essential for upholding precise records of metals and stones inventory and effectively managing inventory expenses, all while maintaining seamless and efficient workflow management. Furthermore, Zerone JEM allows for the management of subcontracting, job work orders, and repair orders while providing comprehensive support for all aspects of jewelry manufacturing. If you'd like to associate with us, kindly contact Zerone HiTech.